Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another funny looking character from the Fall Guys. This time it's gonna be the chicken suit. Alright, so let's draw this funny looking character, and here's my sketch underneath. And to begin, we draw in the face area first, which is just gonna be one little circle. Alright, and then now for the eyes. So just come about right in the center here. Just gonna make two little dots first, and on the bottom right here, just draw like a really small little bean shape or a little egg shape here. Alright, and that's pretty much it for the face. And then now let's draw in the rest of the head. So right here, we're gonna come up and draw in the little beak right here. So right over the circle, one curve down, and then one big one going up. So that's gonna be the beak for the little chicken costume. And then now for the inside, just draw another curve like this, and then just close it off straight. Alright, and then from the beak right here, we're gonna draw in the little waddle. So right here, just come down, just draw like a little tear shape. And you probably have to erase out that little line inside. Alright, and then from here we're going to draw in the rest of the head. So just come back up here. Just curve down right over the face. We'll stop right around here. And then now we'll flare out. And then kind of come in toward the center. And in the middle right here, I'm going to draw one little line or curve. Just leave a little bit of space right here. And then now whatever space you have here, just come up with a little angle. Alright, so that's the overall head shape, and now let's add in the little details. So right around here, let's draw one big bump right here. So whatever you draw in here, just come across. Let's draw the same thing on the other side. Draw one line, little slant. That's gonna be the eyeball right here. I'm just gonna shade that in. Okay, and then the details up here, I think it's called a crown. So I'm just gonna start here. Just curve up. Just round it out. Just come back into the head. And then let's draw in one more. Just curve. And then just go into the head. Alright, so that's the head, and let's go ahead and finish up the lower body, and then we'll draw in the arms. So the lower body is very simple. Come right here. Just come down with a bracket first. And then on the bottom right here is a little bit flatter. So I'm just going to draw one little curve. And then for the foot, here's the center. Just come out to the side, make two little dots, come down, come on this side here, just go out, and then just round off the bottom. And if you like, we can add in another line on the bottom just for some extra detail. Alright, so now let's draw in the arm. Let's draw in this side first, because this one's going to be kind of raised up. So I'm going to start up here. Curve all the way down, right around here. Here's the armpit in here. So I'm going to smaller curve. And then now for the hand, it's one little hook. Come down. So straight down, and then I'm going to start on the back side here. Just round it out. And let's add in the fingers. So I'm just going to add one little line there. Okay, so that's one. And then now for this one, raised up. So same thing here. We're going to start right here. Curve up. Bigger curve on the bottom here. We'll stop right there. And then for the fingers, here's the thumb. Just one little hook going up this way. The other finger, just one little curve, just come down about halfway right here. And then right on this edge, just one little egg shape. So his finger's kind of bending down. And then now whatever space you have here, just close it off. And then lastly, for some details on the body right here, just a bunch of these little curves. So one in the center, let's go out to the side. And that is it for this chicken costume. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.